Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best filming camera is probably one of the most crucial investments for any aspiring YouTuber. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of cameras, exploring the features that matter most for creating high-quality content. From stunning visuals to crystal-clear audio, we'll cover everything you need to know to choose the perfect camera to elevate your YouTube game and captivate your audience. Number 5. Sony ZV-1 Content Creator Camera. This is the Sony ZV-1, a camera built for content creators. It's perfect for vlogging and creating videos for YouTube. It has everything you need to get started. The camera boasts a 20.1 MP sensor and a Zeiss Vario Sonor T lens. This combination ensures high-quality images and videos. You'll be impressed with the clarity. It features a side flip-out screen for easy selfie shots. The fast hybrid autofocus and real-time eye autofocus ensure your subject is always in focus. It makes shooting so much easier. Quickly switch between modes to create a blurred background. The product showcase setting is perfect for reviews. It transitions focus seamlessly. The automatic exposure keeps faces well lit. It also has a forward directional microphone and a windscreen. You'll get great audio in one take. It has a 3.5mm mic jack and MI shoe for more audio options. It also supports live video streaming. You can connect it to your devices easily. What we like. This camera boasts incredibly fast autofocus and a flip-out screen, perfect for vloggers. It also has a built-in microphone, so you can get great sound in one take. If you're looking for a camera that's easy to use and delivers high-quality video and audio right out of the box, you should consider this. What people say. The camera has excellent image quality. The autofocus is fast and accurate. The built-in microphone provides clear audio. Number 4. Video Camera 1080p Vlogging Kit. This video camera is perfect for beginners. It comes with everything you need to start recording right away, including a remote control, microphone, and tripod. It's an ideal gift for anyone who loves to create videos. The camera features infrared night vision, allowing you to capture clear videos and photos even in low-light conditions. The remote control makes it easy to take group shots and control the camera from a distance, ensuring everyone can be in the picture. The included mini tripod and remote control make this camera incredibly easy to use on the go. The compact design allows you to take it anywhere, fitting easily in your pocket for travel and adventures. This camera can be used as a webcam for high-quality video streaming and video calls. You can also connect it to your TV via an HDMI cable to share your videos with family and friends. Please note that the HDMI cable is not included. It supports video pause, time-lapse, slow motion, and more. The 270 degrees rotating screen, external microphone jack, and hot shoe mount provide even more creative possibilities. It is a great tool for any vlogger. What we like. This camcorder offers 1080p recording and even has IR night vision for shooting in low light. It also comes with a remote control, microphone, and mini tripod. If you are a beginner looking for an all-in-one solution with everything you need to start recording, you should consider this. What people say. The camera is easy to use and takes high-definition videos and photos. The view screen can be turned towards me so that I can watch and see myself while I am recording. Came with a 32 GIG card and 2 batteries. Number 3. VJIANGER 4K 64MP Digital Camera. This camera boasts impressive 4K resolution and 64MP for stunning photos and videos. It features a convenient 3-inch flip screen, making it perfect for vlogging and selfies. It's an ideal gift for anyone. This camera isn't just for photos and videos, it also works as a webcam. Simply connect it to your PC via USB, select camera mode, and you're ready to go. It's great for online content creation. This compact camera is lightweight and easy to carry. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily transfer your photos and videos to your phone or tablet for instant sharing. You can even control it remotely. The camera offers an 18x digital zoom, allowing you to get closer to your subjects. It also includes a built-in flash for taking clear pictures in low-light situations. This feature enhances its versatility. You'll receive the 4K camera, 2 batteries, a Type-C cable, a camera bag, a lanyard, and a user manual. It's a perfect gift for various occasions. It has everything you need to get started. What we like. This camera offers 4K resolution and a flip screen, making it great for vlogging. It also has Wi-Fi connectivity for easy sharing. If you like the idea of sharing your content quickly and easily, you should consider this. What people say. The image quality is crystal clear, and the 4K resolution captures every detail beautifully. The controls are intuitive, the battery life is impressive, and it performs just as well in low light as it does outdoors in bright daylight. It has a flip screen feature perfect for selfies, and the battery lasts a long time. Last but not least, this camera produces clear and vibrant photos with excellent detail, both in light and dark background. Number 2. Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera. This is the Sony ZV-1F, a vlogging camera designed for content creators. It features an ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing everything in the frame, even when you're close. This camera makes it easy to create engaging videos. The 20mm ultra-wide lens ensures you get it all in the shot. Whether you're vlogging solo or with friends, this lens captures the whole scene. It's ideal for arm's-length shots. With a large 1-inch sensor and an f2 lens, this camera excels in low-light conditions. It also helps to create beautifully blurred backgrounds, making your subject stand out. This feature enhances the overall quality of your videos. Never worry about blurry shots with IAF and autofocus tracking. The camera keeps your eyes in sharp focus, ensuring your videos always look professional. It automatically tracks and focuses on the subject. The side-articulating touchscreen LCD makes it easy to compose your shots. It's perfect for selfies and vlogging, allowing you to see yourself while recording. This feature makes it simple to frame your shots. The built-in 3-capsule microphone and windscreen accessory ensure clear voice recording. It minimizes background noise, so your audience can hear you perfectly. This setup guarantees high-quality audio. What we like. This camera features an ultra-wide lens and a large sensor for great low-light performance. It also has a directional microphone for clear audio. If you have a need to capture everything in the frame with excellent image quality, you should consider this. What people say. The video quality is crisp and vibrant, and the wide-angle lens is perfect for handheld vlogging. Autofocus is fast and reliable, keeping faces sharp even while moving. The built-in stabilizer is top-notch, so the camera won't be shaking too much when vlogging or filming. Number 1. OBSBOT Tail Air 4K AI Streaming Camera. Introducing the OBSBOT Tail Air, a compact 4K PTZ camera. It's smaller than a can of soda, making it incredibly portable. This camera delivers impressive performance in a small package. With NDI, you can stream effortlessly to your local network. This allows you to process the signals on multiple devices at once. It simplifies your setup by reducing the need for complex cables. This streaming camera offers multiple connection options. It supports HDMI, USB-C, Ethernet, and wireless connections. You can stream to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. The OBSBOT Start app gives you complete control over your settings. From AI Director to custom visual settings, it's easy to fine-tune your video in real time. The app makes it easy to manage your stream. The Tail Air features upgraded AI tracking for humans, animals, and objects. There is nothing you can't track, only the targets you can't imagine. This feature enhances the versatility of the camera. Set up multiple Tail Air cameras for different angles. The 4K webcam integrates seamlessly into your existing systems. This setup optimizes your productivity and opens up creative possibilities. You can control the Tail Air using gestures, or remote control, or software. It offers flexible control options to suit your needs. You can easily manage your content creation. What we like. This camera is a 4K PTZ camera with AI tracking, allowing for versatile shooting angles. It also offers multiple connection options, including NDI. If you're a content creator looking for a professional-grade streaming setup with advanced features, you should consider this. What people say. The camera is actually good. The lens is a 23mm f1.8. If you know about camera lenses, then you know how much that alone could cost. Our workflow while we record in the shop is so much more efficient because of the AI tracking features. The time we spent moving one camera from place to place in the shop is now just placing the camera in an angle that can see most of our workspace, and then we use hand gestures to track and zoom. Connectivity is easy since there are multiple ways to connect the tail air. You can plug in a camera via the USB-C cable and start filming, or you can connect via NDI license, which can be purchased separately, or even a USB to Ethernet adapter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.